FICO Korea Construction is a professional enterprise that possesses leading technologies in soft ground improvement method, which is the foundation of the country's basic industries, and it aims to achieve the 21st century's leading technologies. FICO Korea is making a constant improvements in manufacturing technologies through our various construction experiences. For large construction business of the barometer of national competitiveness and the first step of construction are selecting and preparing appropriate land for the construction. In order to solve the limited lands, the soft ground improvement shall be the best way for an answer. When a structure is built in a weak ground without any improvements, it can lead to disasters like a ground collapse or failure. The optimum method of soft ground improvement is projected in association with the ground conditions, ground range, soil properties, workability, kind of the structure, construction period, and cost. The logics of representative countermeasure methods including replacement, compaction, discharge, and chemical consolidation method are applied. FCC uses the appropriate methods for silty soil, clay, or various complicated soil that have both. Discharge and consolidation methods are generally used to apply the sand compaction pile method. Furthermore, FCC proposes the most economic and efficient vertical drain method in consideration to various other methods such as sand drain, sand pack drain, dynamic replacement, and dynamic compaction depending on the soil and site conditions. The logic of vertical drain method is installing materials in the soft soil to eliminate pore water and accelerate consolidation, as well as applying additional load depending on the design requirement to minimize the possibility of residual settlement, but maximizing the soil intensity and bearing capacity of the ground. PCD is the key drain material developed by FCC. The manufacturing process of asymmetric perforated spiral cylindrical drain pipe is as follows. First, the round tube is made of extrusion process and asymmetric spirals high tensile strength to provide the swirl function and prevented twisting or bending. The automatic perforation system increases to inflow a pore water drain performance by punching holes. The external surface of the round cylindrical core is also wrapped and glued with a filter, which prevents the soil from blocking the perforated holes and reducing pure water inflow, as well as making it possible for using the space between the spiral creases and filters for water inflow cylindrical core. This is the key drain material of FCC's exclusively developed, economic, and environmentally friendly vertical drain method PCD, which is an asymmetrical perforated spiral cylindrical drain pipe. The advantage of PCD is that it improves problems of existing drain materials, which include well resistance and water discharge capacity due to changes of the soil layers. By operating the production factory in Vietnam, FCC will establish a seamless in-house production line, which will manufacture not only existing materials upgraded flat-type PBDs, but also the standardized PCD materials. The vertical drain method improves drain efficiency by installing PCD drain materials in the ground. This method is concentrated of all technologies that protect the various site conditions and function relating to the soft ground construction. First, the soft ground is flattened out evenly and reinforced mats are installed on it. The purpose of this mat is to secure easier workability and stabilization to make uniform load dispersing effects. By operation sealing machines to small equipment for clean light application that can be operated on soft grounds, FCC has improved the efficiency by carrying out installation and sealing of the mat simultaneously. the specified sand or crushed stone is sprayed on the top of the mat, it is to be reinforced to soil strengthen and discharge capacity, because when heavy equipment is used, heaving and shear failure of the soft ground may cause to decrease the function of the horizontal drain layer. When applying sand or crushed stone, FCC is using the mobile conveyor belt system to increase the productive and efficiency and economic efficiency of the work process. By using a small dump truck for transporting the sand or crushed stone, both systems will be preventing moving of the ground and expand the area to be required gradually. The horizontal drain material, which is the water collecting pipe of pour water through the vertical drain material, is applied with flat bundled tube type or cylindrical perforated tube type to maximize the discharge function, which is the key process of the soft ground improvement. Applying soil placement on top of the horizontal drain material, it is to be improved the initial settlement and secures workability, including easy access for heavy equipment as well as securing trafficability. After the previous process, the driving of the vertical material is the highlight of the soft ground improvement. Thus, this is the most important activity which has created the key technologies and equipment by FCC. The major equipment of vertical drain method, called vertical drain applicator, is controlled by automatic system, which is a high-tech device that secures easy construction, stabilization, and quality control before and after construction. Especially FCC's vertical drain applicators assembled the hydraulic gauge, which shows the driving length and depth of the drain material, driving time, incline of leader, and amount of energy used, as electric type automatic recording device and various automatic control systems as well. For proper application of the drain material, which is the key to this system, the vertical drain applicator has a signal or alarm system whenever the preset operation information does not comply with requirement. By improving the single-axis vertical drain applicator, which drive a drain materials at a time, specially FCC has developed and used the multi-axis vertical drain applicator, which has an acceleration speed, economic efficiency, and especially time effective in a big project area through the several project experience. After the drain material driver, the preloading will be performed step by step according to the engineering requirements and soil conditions. The consolidation settlement measured during this preloading stage, and FCC has secured greater competitiveness with an automatic measurement and management system. Finally, when the preloaded soil has been removed, the soft ground improvement process will be completed at the stage. The application of soft ground improvement will be created the great values of products when the large national project is planned. Through a hard work of FCC for several years in the field, FCC has developed the vertical drain method associated with a kindly environment, PCD, and new construction technology. For the happiness of mankind and national growth of products, FCC will lead the large infrastructure construction industry and be stood as a best company in Vietnam on the soft ground improvement field.